Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillify. Today I will be telling you about an extraordinary function that can help you in like various situations. The very first example about it, let's say you are someone who just started with Excel and don't know from where to get the data, how to apply all those techniques on which type of data you need. So let's say the very first thing is those numbers you want, right? And if I want to put some numbers, I have to type it manually, some random numbers. I'll do this way I will be typing, right? But today I will be telling you about one function that can just make it so easy for you. That function name is RANDBETWEEN. So all you have to do is simple. Type this function is equal to RAND. So now three functions are there. So we need to use the third one. Okay, and to press the tab key whenever this blue box appear on your desired function, just press the tab key. That function will be opened over here. Now it is asking you for two things. One is the bottom range and another is the top range. So basically, let's say you want some values, right? You want random values from in between, let's say 1 lakh to 2 lakh or something. So just give it that value. So right now I'm just going with some small number, that is 2000. So let's say 3500. This is the random value I'm giving it. I will just close the bracket and I will hit enter, right? So random value is there. But see, the magic is when you drop it down, you can just drag it to the n numbers, right? Like not the n, basically we have some fixed number in between, like that is your 1500 simple number. But by the help of those combinations and all, you can have like n numbers of number over here. So you can just drag it and that thing will be applied over here. Now, how you can just utilize this function into your data? Let's say you are preparing a data for employee, right? So the very first thing you need is the employee ID. So if for employee ID, you can just use this function. So press is equal to the function, right? And tab key. So bottom, I want it to be, let's say I want it to be start from 1001 and just want to go it to 2000. Just close the bracket, hit enter, and now let's say I want to record the data for 10 to 12 employees, and then it will just give me the IDs. Second thing, same for the employee ID, I just want to calculate the sales of that particular employee, right? Same I can just do with the same function. Okay, tab key, bottom value I want to give, let's say for sales 50,000. Okay, just you need to take care of one thing. When you are just giving those values, right, when you are providing those ranges, there is no need to put them in the comma separated values. For example, we usually type 50 and then comma and then three zeros. Now see what happened actually after the comma, then second parameter is started, right? So don't put any of those delimiters and all, just give the value. So 50 and after three zeros there, so 50,002. I want to just calculate it to for 1 lakh, close the bracket, hit enter. And then I can just drag it. Again, I will be getting some random values. And same thing, I can give you multiple example. Revenue is there. Second, you can just expenses is there, right? Second, we can just profit is something which you can calculate by the help of revenue and expenses. So same way, the values, that those are the your numerical values you can just have by the help of this value. So this function is very magical, very amazing. You can just use it to get the random data in Excel. So that's all about this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just hit the like button and share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.